Hi. How may I help you?
Where are we?
You are an HSBC, the world's best bank.
Who is your family?
These awesome people at HSBC are my family. We would love to hang out with you anytime.
Something exciting is happening in this business. And from this point forward, this is going to be a different bank.
We're really excited. It's been a phenomenal journey to get here. You'll see today how Pepper will really draw customers in, help customers with the wait experience, help to educate them.
This beautiful little robot is going to change retail, and me and Pablo then thought, how do we make it a game changer in banking?
This is how the journey begins for any customer who walks in.
We've got great people, we've got great location. We want customers to bank with us at this location because that's what bank is about. It's a people business. And that's a strength. We want to play to that strength.
I am so thrilled to bring Pepper to HSBC. It's been a great day and, arguably a historic day.
Yeah!
By the way, there hasn't ever been this much press for HSBC, maybe ever.
So thank you for being part of history, and thank you for everyone for their support.